Hey guys, I'm back again. And this time we're going to talk about counting. 数数. The first 数 is in the third tone and it's a verb, meaning to count. The second 数 is in the fourth tone and it's a noun, meaning numbers. So 数数 means counting. In this video, you are going to learn how to count any number within 1 to 99. Are you ready? These are the numbers 1 to 10. I will say the English number once and the Mandarin one twice. 1 一 2 二 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Okay, there you go. I am going to count again from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now, we are ready to tackle more numbers. Unlike English and many other languages, we don't have special names for 11, 12, etc. We simply call it, literally, 10-1, 10-2, etc. Just like we do in English in the 20s and so on. We also call 20, 30 as literal as you can imagine. 2 tens to 3 tens. For 11 to 20, we have 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Basically, you have now learned all the numbers from 1 to 99. Here are a few examples. Yes, I may have a thing for prime numbers. 23 is 2 tens plus 3, so that's right, 23. 67 is therefore 67, and 89 is, you got it, 89. This concludes our video for today, and I hope it helped. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and we will learn how to count to more than 9 quadrillions, which is pretty much more than you'd ever need in our next video. Until then, bye!